YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. I'm super excited, guys. A lot of people are not super excited, but I guess I'm kind of weird. Before we get into this video, I just have to let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just a homie Crypto J. You got to go out there and do your own research. Talk to a financial advisor, all that good stuff, guys. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about the market. Let's talk about the fear eating. Let's talk about what's going on and why I'm excited. I'm a crazy person. I know. And one thing I learned about crypto, guys, is the longer you're in it, the more you feel like a crazy person. So, as you guys could see, the total market cap coming in at $3.35 trillion, down 4% today. And Bitcoin now starting to look like it's going to drop down below some of these supports. Like it's not going to hold that 100K, right? Ever since it hit 98, the fear greed index dropped all the way back down to 47. And it's looking like on our total market cap that we might be seeing this shoulder head shoulder play out, and it's making me feel like we might see something happen like similar to what I was saying just in the past couple of videos on the all-time chart, something similar to this playing out. So we might see a good size sell-off, but again, I don't think it'll be the top. I do think that there will be some more upside, and we could turn around. We could still turn it around. We could still hold this range. Maybe this is like the time of the video is like absolute bottom and we start making some kind of a recovery. I don't really know. Again, on our all-time chart, we do still have possibly some kind of a bull flag playing out here, but again, things are starting to break down, and we're starting to tick a little bit back in our fear greed index, which is totally normal. We've been kind of sailing around in some sketchy territory for a while now. And we see, here, this kind of have to play out for a little bit longer. Right here, between this top and this top, it didn't take too long to play out, right? A couple months from December to March, which is similar to where we're at, right? Right here is like December, and then, right now we're in February. We're like consolidating. And then are we going to start seeing this thing start kicking back up towards March? Is that possibly what we're going to see? Are we going to see maybe something sooner? Or are we going to see something like this where it went up in March and then it consolidated? I don't think this will necessarily happen. It can happen. And then have another, close to December, this thing starts rallying again. I don't know. Time will tell, right? Bitcoin, always a volatile asset. You see a lot of the market absolutely getting smacked. But let's talk about Toshi, guys, because again, I am excited about Toshi. Oh wow, it's already starting to pick up. Dang it. Okay, well, it was at 309 million a minute ago. Now it's at 319. But I was looking at 309, and I was like, dang man, that's really cheap. Even at 319, I'm like, dang, this is so cheap. I can't believe this thing broke down this much. But look, it's still trending. A lot of these coins, man, I think that the market will pick back up. So I actually like when the prices are this cheap. This is like really cheap. But you can see Toshi Coin starting to recover pretty decently. Let's see actually, because dang man, this thing just grew really fast. I'm trying to definitely dollar cost average into Toshi. So I'm looking for the cheapest prices. Definitely, look, it was all the way at 303, and then now look at this breakout that it's seeing. It's still taking a minute to register it, but look over here, it says already at 322 million. Dang, I wish I could have got this in that range. See, that's what I look for. You guys, some of you guys bought it at the top. I'll be trying to find the very bottom, bro. Like, I'm like, do I go half now and then like go half of it dip some more? Or is this the bottom, bro? Like, how cheap is the Toshi gonna be, bro? This thing was just at 800 million and now it's at 321 million. Like, this is like, people be like looking at crypto and they're like, ha, I'm not touching that thing. Look at it's going down. I'm just like, bro, this is when I make some money, dude. Like, this is where you find out what coins have the real appeal, I feel like. Look at Toshi trending again, number 6 on Dex Tools. Like, bro, do I think that this coin has people that are shopping it? Look at this, almost 515,000 people that are watching. So some people, yeah, they're selling out of their bags. They're scared right now. But again, people are looking for the bottom of this thing. There's a lot of people looking for the bottom of this thing, just like myself. We're testing this 1 hour calendar channel right now. As a matter of fact, 30-minute also. Bro, if I'm recording the bottom of this project, and I should be like buying it right now. I don't know. But I'm not telling you guys to go buy it. You got to do your own research on this thing. I don't know for sure that it's going to recover, if it's ever going to recover. But it is listed on Coinbase. It's listed on a lot of big exchanges, including KuCoin also. And they have a lot of exchanges that I feel like they can still get listed on, including Binance. And the fact that this coin is now like, bro, this coin is even more appealing. Like, it's funny because it drops down and people expect me to be like, oh, this is not appealing at all anymore. And now I'm like, this is even more appealing right now. Like, this is actually, wow, I can't believe I'm getting this opportunity again to get Toshi at this cheaper price. I did not expect this thing to drop down this low. If you guys expected this type of correction, let me know in the comment section. I thought that we were going to find some kind of support, honestly, around like 500 or something like that. But again, I didn't expect for Bitcoin to want to correct down the way that it has. It was a possibility. We've been talking about it, right? The fact that Bitcoin could decide it want to correct down and drag the rest of the market. This is exactly why I talk about Bitcoin for the first part of the video, because I want you guys to understand how Bitcoin, you need to be paying attention to Bitcoin and watching what it's doing, because sometimes it could drag the market down. But overall, we're not too emotional about the trade, because we're not spending more money than we can afford to lose, right? We're not betting our rent money or anything crazy, right? We're not doing anything like that to the point where we have to be emotional about these trades, right? We're just like being responsible with our money, right? Again, it's not a gamble, it's not like, oh, buy it right here and then sell it out the top, and then then just that's it. You just got to buy it and then sell at the top. You should practice taking profit, but sometimes you're not going to know when it's going to go up or when it's going to go down. So you could have bought here thinking, a lot of you guys bought in here thinking that it's going to keep going up, when in reality, you shouldn't be looking for the tops of projects anyway. It's not really a good idea after it's already pumped like 300% to be looking for an entry point. Good entry points would be like when it's like 60% off, like right now, like this, in my opinion, is when a lot of the good traders are looking for positions, and a lot of people just look at this chart and they just see it sitting and looking like it's not really moving, and like it just kind of died. This is what I get. I don't even know if I can say that. I should have said unalive, but it looked like it is no longer around. I really shouldn't have said that word. I don't know if I'm gonna get in trouble for saying that, but it's not. That's the whole point. The thing is not. It's still, there's still a chance that this project can recover. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of interest in it. It's number 4 on Dex Tools right now. It's definitely being manipulated by a lot of whales, but you could see a lot of big buy orders. Like I said, I'm sure that a lot of these guys, they're big in crypto and they have been trading for a while. As you can see, all these orders are big. They're all for like at least like $1,000, couple $100. So this is when the wise people start stocking up. You could see though too, there's people that have been also taking money out, pulling profits out. Look at this guy, dropped in 31,000. So people are looking for the bottom of this. There's whales looking for the bottom of this project, and to me that's bullish, because these whales, one, they know this game, like your boy Crypto J. They know what a Coinbase listing means. It means that we might see some more listings coming soon. Having a Coinbase listing, man, is like a humongous stamp of approval in the crypto community, as far as even with the exchanges like Binance and stuff. They look for the same coins that Coinbase looks at a lot of the time, and they want the same thing. They want volume, and Toshi Coin has had volume. It's had a lot of people that are watching it. As a matter of fact, over on Twitter, we're pretty close now to 100,000 followers on Twitter. We're gonna follow it. We'll follow it all the way to 100K, guys. They're at 95 right now. We're going to follow me all the way to 100K too. I'm on a mission, guys. I'm on a mission to get to 100,000 subscribers, guys. If you guys can support the channel, I'd appreciate it. It helps me out. I'm trying to move down to Colombia. It's going to be a big move for me, guys. I'm going to sell all my stuff. We're going to document it. It's going to be amazing. There's going to be so many Latinas on the channel. It's going to be awesome. We're going to make crypto great, guys. If you got this far in the video, let me know in the channel, in the comment section by typing "make crypto great again." And also, guys, if you have not yet joined Telegram, join us on Telegram. It's free. You could join us for free on Telegram. I'll leave the link in my Twitter. Drop down on Twitter, and you could add me over there and click on that link, and you could join us. Also, I'll leave my Patreon in the link below for those of you guys who want the exclusive Telegram, as well as to be able to talk to me and stuff like that. We could talk about whatever you want, bro. We could talk about your contract. We could talk about crypto, whatever. Also, I have a ton of training in my Patreon too. Check it out, man. It's unlike anything you've ever seen, guys. But anyway, I'll touch you guys in the next video. Peace.